Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video we are gonna make the app called the whiteboard app. So guys, I made this app in 2020, but I didn't use it much. So I thought that now I have a YouTube channel, so shouldn't I make it and show you guys also that how interesting and how useful this app is. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see, I am in my app lab and I have already made the app, which I told you that this is the app right now, as you can see. And it took me like only 15 to 20 minutes to design this app. Like, it's gonna take time, and we are gonna make a totally different app from this. So first of all, we will go to design, and then as you can see over here, I have made some buttons which is the color, which is color black, then color blue, then color green, then color yellow, erase button and a settings button, but I don't think so that settings button will be used, and I won't include this because it is like just totally waste of time. So guys, then we have this slider. So we are just gonna take a little bit reference from this app and then continue with the thing. So first of all, we are gonna make, and first of all, let me do the easy stuff. So I'll just put a slider over here. So you might be thinking that I didn't tell you about anything about slider. So in this video you will also get to know about slider. It will help you how to like increase the width. So first of all, we're gonna do this, just clear the text button, and I think so I should just name it also like orange. So I just named it orange. So yeah, I can see there in ID that it is orange. So then I'm just gonna take another button and just I won't take a button now. I will just duplicate this. 1 2 3. Yup. So this is a very easy way. So then I'll just place these buttons side by side. Now and then afterwards I'll just color these. It's nothing too complicated in coloring, but yeah, it is very easy. So yeah, they are fitted properly. So now I'll just go to background, just a second. Yeah, so now I'll just go to backgrounds, then it should be like red color. Then this button should be, first of all, let me just name this as red. See, naming buttons is very important, or you will just forget that, and you have to come to see this again. Then what is the idea of the button? So that's why I just name these buttons, which makes it very simple for me. I'll just go down, and then this should be blue color, yeah, and then this should be yellow. This should be yellow. So yeah, so just got the, and now which color remains? I think so. Let me see. Green. I just missed green. These are the primary colors. I can't miss these. So orange. These all colors are ready, and the slider is also ready. Now we just have to do eraser. Okay, I didn't name this button. Guys, this reminds me of Holi. So guys, at Holi there is gonna be a special Holi vlog, and I'm gonna just try to do like a skit video or a vlog. So I'll ask you on Instagram that what should I do? Shall I do a vlog on Holi, or should I do a skit on Holi, like a skit video, proper skit video? We'll see about that. First of all, we should just focus on the app, and I think so 2 days remain. What's the date today? Let me just see. It's 16. Okay, so 2 days remain. Wow. So then I'm just gonna take a button over here. this. Yeah, and this button is gonna be eraser. Yeah, I think so. I forgot another color, which is gonna be black, but I don't think so that black is gonna be used, or it's gonna show like a color, because our default color will be black in over here. So I don't think so that black is necessary. I don't know why, but my laptop is lagging today a little bit. I'm just gonna go to icons, and then here we go with the eraser. And the eraser is too big for the screen, so I'm just gonna shorten it a little bit. Yeah, this is fine, because the cursor also needs its screen right over here. So now I'm gonna make a button over here. I just added this button. I just got an idea right now that should I add a button over here, and then this should be show color. And yeah, and let's go to icons, and I want to find like, yeah, over here. So this should be the, yeah, so this is gonna show the colors. Right now I'll just hide the colors over here, then afterwards when this button show color will be clicked, then it will show the colors. Yeah, now it's looking fine. And then the slider is right over here. Yeah, so I think so that the designing part is done, and we should go to the code. So first of all, I told you about the turtle in the last video. So we'll in this we turtle is very important. So I'll just go. First of all, we need to hide the colors, right? So first of all, I need to find the hide button. Hide element. Yup. So over here you can see the hide element. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hide elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then element hide blue, green. See, you can see the use of it. And then red. I think so. Which color remains? Yellow is on. No, yellow isn't on. So yeah, as you can see that it shows all the now this, and this is the text, which is the real this is the real code which is used in the VS code, but I'm not gonna right now talk about the VS code. It's like too big. And so on event, when show color is clicked, then show element, so guys, in this video we won't be just like doing all the code right now. It is divided into two. It is divided into like two episodes. So this is the episode 1, and the episode 2 will be released tomorrow, and I'll surely try to finish it, because this is a long app and it's gonna take time. As in this app you can see I have not done too much, but if you see here, I have done many things. I've added many things, so that's why it's gonna take time, but I'll I'll surely try that I finish the app by tomorrow and record it and edit it, because it becomes difficult for me also that like that, but it's okay. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so let's just try once. Yeah, as you can see, you can't see this, but if you click over here, then you can see the colors. Yeah. I think so I should do something else also, that I don't think so that it's necessary. So yeah, so right now, guys, as you saw that I did this right now. This is, I did all the designing part and little bit code, which also gets included in the designing part only. So this is the first episode of the whiteboard app, and I'll surely release the whiteboard app episode 2 tomorrow, or I'll try to record it today only, because right now I have to edit this video also. So thank you for watching, guys, and for episode 2 stay tuned, and